Hey guys, what is up? It's your boy Teddy here, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to do knee spin. But before I start, like always, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also turn on notification icon so whenever I upload new video, you will get notified. Alright, so without further ado, let's jump right onto it. So the step for doing knee spin is quite simple. It depends on which way you spin. If you spin like me counterclockwise, you want to put your left knee on the ground. So if you spin clockwise, then you want to put your right knee. Okay, I'm gonna put my left knee on the ground. Now after you place your left knee on the ground, you got your right leg. So what your right leg is going to do is you're gonna use this as a momentum leg. Okay, you're gonna swing with this leg. All right. Remember, left knee down, and your right leg is the momentum leg. You're gonna swing with this leg. Now press both hands on the ground as well. Right knee or right leg is gonna create a circle. You want to make sure that your right leg ending pose is to wrap around your left thigh. Okay. So one more time. Right leg, spin and wrap your left thigh. After you practicing this momentum for a few times and you already get the momentum out of it, now it's time to do the spin. But not yet. Remember, while doing the spin, keep your body straight. Alright? And the most important part is your core. You need to tighten up your core so when you spin, you can get the better balance out of it. If not, you're gonna crash all over the place. Alright? So remember, your core is the key. Spin and hold on tight to your core. Alright, so let's compile all the steps and let's see how it goes. Again, left knee on the ground, right knee, prepare to swing. Alright, and swing, turn. One more time, doing all the steps all together. And this time I'm going to put more power onto it. Okay, so you can see how the spin looks. Here we go. Both hands on the ground, right leg, prepare to swing, and that's it for the knee spin. I'm not going to show you guys the drill knee spin in this video because you need to master the basic knee spin first. And do remember to use knee pad. Try to find a bigger knee pad like this one because you don't want to spin around without any protection. That's about it. Subscribe, like this video, give a thumbs up, and do share my video to your friends and family. I will see you guys next time.